Yes, sir.
Which year?
Sir, right now in fourth year, sir.
Okay, fourth year. Are you from which hostel?
Sorry, sir.
From which hostel?
Sir, from hostel one.
हॉस्टल वन. ओके. सो यहाँ पर इंटरव्यू सेशन होगी, राइट? तो
Yes, sir.
इंटरव्यू सेशन में टू पार्ट्स होगी, फर्स्ट पर्सनल, सेकंड
Yes.
टेक्निकल. क्लियर?
Yes.
सो दोनों पार्ट मैं कंडक्ट करूंगा. आफ्टर दैट मैं आपको बताऊंगा कहाँ आपको वर्क करनी चाहिए, किन किन फैक्टर्स पे आपको वर्क करनी चाहिए. क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ओके. सो
Yes.
विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, सो वी प्रोसीड आवर इंटरव्यू सेशन.
Yes, sir.
ओके. So first of all, tell me about yourself.
Sir, first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rohit Kumar. I am from Patna, Bihar. I have completed my 10th from Sina Model High School and scored 95%. I have completed my 12th from in college Patna. I scored 75%. If I talk about my family background, there are total five members in my family. My father, my mother, with me there are two sisters. So my father is a simple farmer, my mother is a housewife, and both sisters are still studying like me. And if I talk about my hobbies, I would like to learn new things from, like, if I have free time, I go on YouTube and learn something new on the YouTube, like some new skills which may help me in the future. Like in this pandemic time, we have a lot of free time. So I have developed, I just practice like communication skill. I practice, I've talked a lot of people's in the English, so develop a good communication skill for my future. So that's all about me.
Okay. So why you want to join merchant navy?
Sir, basically from my childhood, my mother and my father, and I want to become an engineer from my childhood, and so I have started preparing after the class 10th for IIT, but I got not selected in the IIT because of very low rank. So I have made a drop also for the second attempt, but in that year I just came to know about merchant navy field. There's my friend who suggested me about, like, you became an merchant, you can go in merchant navy as an engineer. So I just do a little bit on the Google, and I found out like which type of career, how many, what is perspection, like how much salary is there. Uh, so all this I have found, and this made me interesting. Like if I can join merchant navy, then I can have a lot of good skills like communication skill, leadership skills, and the other things apart from other simple engineers. So I joined this field, merchant navy, sir.
Okay. What are your strengths?
Sir, my strength is I am very honest and I am a hard worker, because I have learned this from my father, because my father is simple farmer. So I just see them like how they are working in field with very honestly and with very hard working. So these are the two qualities with me as my inner strength, sir.
So tell me why you want to go for farming.
Sir, because in my farming, I seeing the situation like there is no money, sir. Like if I talk about my family itself, there is very less land with with my father, and they used to like as a rent from the other farmer, and they crop the uh, like grains. So it's very poor situation of farming, sir. So because of that, sir, I not going for farming.
Okay. Tell me about your weaknesses.
The weakness is like my not good communication skills, and like actually I am naturally shy from my school days. Like if there are two or three peoples in my group, I feel like not very confident to talk with them. But when I come to TMI, sir, after that I start working on them. Like there are so many activities in the class, like sir, self-voluntary quiz. So I started participating in them. After that, sir, there are large number of people like in the Transtech in Horizon. So I start volunteering in that type of event, and because of that, sir, I just gain confidence in the like large number of people, like talking with in group of friends. So that is my weakness. And second weakness is some place I have to say no, but in every time I say yes, sir. That is also my type of weakness. I'm also working on it, sir.
So, as you said, you can't say no to others, right?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you can't say no to others.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think? How this affects your productivity?
Sir, like sometimes if I take my example, right now I'm in my TMI. So sometimes like if I have to do self study, sir, but some like there's my friend who just telling me like come in my room and do some activity or any other activity. So I can't say no like because that is my sir problem. So because of that, sir.
Means it directly affect your timetable, right?
Yes, sir. Timetable, right, sir.
Okay. So, which is your favorite subject in marine engineering course?
Sir, marine auxiliary machines, ma'am.
Marine auxiliary machines.
Yes, sir.
Tell me at least seven auxiliary machine present in ship.
Sir, purifier, incinerator, sir, centrifugal pump, sewage treatment plant, oily water separator. Sir, right now, I'm not remembering more than five.
What about heat exchanger
Yes, sir, heat exchanger.
and one more? Tell me fast.
Sir,
Auxiliary generator.
yes, sir, generators. Yes.
Yes. So tell me the difference between generator and alternator.
Sir, actually, in generator, sir, alternator basically converts the mechanical energy into not sir, sir, in electrical energy into the mechanical energy.
Alternator.
Not sir, mechanical to electrical energy. Mechanical to electrical energy. It produces an AC current, sir.
And what about generator, DC generator?
So it also produces an electrical current, but sir, there is a difference. But right now, I
Okay. Okay, no problem. What is freshwater generator?
sir, freshwater generator is an auxiliary machine on board ship used to convert seawater into fresh water with the help of an like evaporation or distillation process, sir. The evaporation process. Sorry, sir, evaporation.
What is distillation?
Sir, distillation is a process like it is type of filtering process. Like sir, there is a mixture of liquid like crude oil or petroleum oil, or we can separate one liquid into the another liquid. Like sir,
Okay, okay. Okay. Tell me, tell me, you said freshwater generator via distillation process. So, in terms of freshwater generator system, what is distillation process?
sir, I have by mistake said sir distillation. There is an evaporation by evaporation method, sir.
Only evaporation method? In freshwater generator system, only evaporation method takes place or something else.
Condensation is also there, sir.
So what that process is called? Both process, combined process, where evaporation as well as condensation takes place. What that process called?
Sir,
Don't know.
maybe distillation, but I am not sure, sir.
Maybe distillation. Are you not sure? Not sure.
Not, sir.
Okay. So tell me why vacuum is created inside freshwater generator?
Sir, because of vacuum, sir, we can boil the water at very low temperature. Like jacket cooling water temperature is outlet temperature of jacket cooling water is 7 to 20, but we can boil the water in the freshwater generator at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius only with the help of vacuum, sir.
Define boiling point of water.
The boiling point, the point, the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the vapor vapor
Just
pressure
in
of liquid
simple
is equal
language.
to the
In simple language, define boiling point of water. Just in simple language.
sir. It generally it boils off at that temperature.
What that temperature and corresponding answer to that of temperature. At
Sorry, sir.
what temperature? At what
Sir,
temperature water boils?
sir, 100 degrees Celsius.
So what is boiling point of water?
Sir, 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water.
No. What is boiling point of water?
Sir, the
100 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure.
yes,
Got it?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 100 degrees.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Now tell me what is oily water separator?
Sir, oily water separator is an auxiliary machine on board ship to separate the oil from bilge water or bilge liquid, sir, so that we can overload the separated water.
Okay. Expand the term ODMCS. What is full form of ODMCS?
Oil discharge monitoring control system.
Very good. And what is oil discharge monitoring control system?
Sir, actually, it is fixed in the oily water separator so that it ensured that like 15 ppm of the bilge water is always after the purification or filtration in oily water separator 15 ppm is maintained so that it can't go and overboard, sir, because of the oil pollution. So it always, sir, like,
Okay. Tell me the difference between cell and tube heat exchanger and plate type of heat exchanger.
sir, first difference is plate type of heat exchanger is an efficiency is more, and cell type of heat exchanger is sir, in plate type of heat exchanger, basically we can increase the efficiency or decrease the efficiency by putting or removing the plate, pair of plates, sir. But in cell and tube type of heat exchanger, we can't do this, sir. And the second one is the efficiency of plate type of heat exchanger is more. And so on basically on board ship, we use an a plate type of heat exchanger.
Why? Why not cell and tube type of heat exchanger?
Sir, because of efficiency, sir, and we can also increase or decrease the efficiency by removing or by putting the plate, pair of plates. So we can also fluctuate the efficiency by putting or removing the plate, sir.
Yes, I agree with your intents by introducing number of plates and By decreasing number of plates, we can increase or decrease the efficiency of heat exchange. Okay, but your sentence is wrong that we can't use Allen tube type of heat exchangers. Allen tube type of heat exchanger also used in ship. No doubt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is rudder drop?
Sir, rudder drop, there is an, sir, removing of an, there is some bearing in rudder. Sir, removing of an bearing material is called basically rudder drop, sir. Basically, I not properly recall that, sir.
What is jumping clearance?
Sir, between the tiller arm, sorry, tiller, tiller and the ram, there is a clearance so that the tiller cannot directly hit the ram, so that mechanical damage can't occur. So there is a clearance provided.
Yes, yes, there is a clearance between these two. But what is jumping?
Sir,
Don't know.
not recalling properly, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I have studied, but sir, I am not recalling properly, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me difference between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine.
The first difference, two stroke is completed in the two stroke of the piston, and four stroke is completed in the four stroke of the piston. And in two strokes, basically one revolution of the crankshaft is takes place in one cycle, but in four stroke there is an two revolution of the crankshaft is taking place. And in two strokes, sir, per stroke, per revolution of the crankshaft there is an power is generated. But in four stroke there is two power stroke is generated in the two power stroke, sir. In 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 sir, four stroke basically, in two power stroke is generated in the four stroke, sir.
Two power stroke.
No, no, not sir, not sir, sorry, sir. uh, in four revolution of the crankshaft
Four
one
revolution.
power stroke is generated, but in the,
Four revolution.
yes sir, four revolution of
In
crankshaft.
one cycle, how many revolution in four-stroke engine? How many crankshaft revolution in four-stroke engine in one cycle?
No sir, two complete revolution of the crankshaft is taking place in the first stroke. Sorry, sir.
What is compression ratio in IC engine?
The compression ratio is equal to is defined as the uh, ratio, total volume in the cylinder divided by the clearance volume in cylinder, sir. Suction, it is compression ratio is equal to uh, clearance volume plus suction volume divided by clearance volume, sir.
Are you sure?
Sir, I think, sir, sir, I think I said opposite, sir. Clearance volume upon total volume.
Are you sure? Now, tell me components of vapor compression refrigeration system. Just tell me the components.
Sir, there is an evaporator, there is a thermal expansion valve, uh, and there is an compression thermal expansion valve. Instead of compressor, we use, sir, an absorber, vapor observer. We use a vapor
I
observer.
say, I say components of vapor compression refrigeration system.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Compressor, evaporator, thermal expansion valve, and condenser.
Anything else?
No, sir.
What is thermostatic expansion valve?
The thermostatic expansion valve is type of valve, sir, which regulate the flow of an refrigerant. So how like what amount of an refrigerant should be and go on the evaporator, and it regulates basically the amount of refrigerant, sir.
On which uh, law thermostatic expansion valve works? On which law it works? Tell me.
So don't.
Okay, no problem. Classify different classes of fire.
The class A, that belongs to an solid fire like close wood. Class B, sir, liquid fire, that is in the petrol or in the kerosene type of liquid. Class C, gaseous like sir, uh, methane or propane. And class E, sir, that is a metal fire.
Sure.
That
Are
is,
you sure?
sir, I think class F is a metal fire.
Which type of extinguisher you will use in electrical fire? Tell me.
Sir, CO2 maybe CO2 or the dry chemical powder, DCP. Sir.
Okay, good. Now, tell me difference between boiler mounting and boiler accessories.
Sir, boiler mountings like the safety valve and uh, main stream and stop valve, water level indicator, feed check valve, uh, bottom blow down valve. But in accessories, sir, like there is superheater, uh, economizer,
What is
there is a
exhaust gas
steam plant.
economizer?
Sir, exhaust gas economizer, sir, it takes the heat of an exhaust gas and uh, like send that energy to the water, to the feed water of the boiler, sir, so that we can save in our economics, sir.
Which type of burner is used for a boiler in ship?
Sir, sir, in SIP, I don't know about that, but there is an two types of burner: pressure jet burner and rotary cup burner. So pressure jet burner is used as pilot burner, and rotary cup burner is used as main burner in the boiler, sir.
What is turn ratio in burner?
And turn ratio is the ratio of an maximum air fuel ratio to the minimum air fuel ratio, so that the burner is working properly.
Good, very good. Explain the difference between MEB engine and MEC engine.
Sir, in MEC engine, there is an camshaft is an used to operate the fuel pump, inlet valve, and the exhaust valve. But in ME engine, basically, that is an camless engine, and there is an FIVA valve is there, sir, that actuate
In
the,
which type of engine? In which type of engine you are talking about? MEB engine or MEC engine?
sir,
First tell me what
ME,
is MEC engine. First tell me what is MEC engine.
sir, MEC engine is an the engine having an camshaft,
No.
or
What
ME
is
is
MEB engine? No, no, no. What is MEB engine? Now tell me.
sir, MEB or MEP.
MEB. B.
I don't have ideas.
Okay. What is intelligent engine?
Sir, intelligent engine, there is an that is intelligent engine is also called electronic engine, sir. there is no camshaft present in the engine, and there is an different type of control system like ECR or ICR integrated type of an system is there to control the different parameter directly from the engine control room, sir.
ओके फाइन। तो यहाँ पर मैं इंटरव्यू स्टॉप करता हूँ। ओके आज के लिए।
Okay, sir.
ओके
Okay,
तो
sir.
मैं आपको फीडबैक देना चाहूंगा, थोड़ी बेसिक्स पे आप और
Yes.
ज्यादा वर्क करो। टेक्निकल की अगर मैं बात करूं तो काफी
Yes.
बेसिक्स में आपको वर्क करनी है, मरीन ऑक्सिलरी मशीन्स पे भी वर्क करनी है, आईसी इंजिन्स में भी वर्क करनी है। दोनों सब्जेक्ट्स में आप वर्क करो, क्योंकि अगर आप इंटरव्यूअर को बोलते हो कि मेरी फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट मरीन ऑक्सिलरी मशीन्स है, तो एटलीस्ट वो आपसे इतनी एक्सपेक्ट करेगी कि आप जितने ऑक्सिलरी मशीन्स हैं, ऑक्सिलरी बॉयलर, ओके, कंप्रेसर्स, रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स, ओडब्ल्यूएस, फ्रेश वाटर जनरेटर, एटलीस्ट आपको प्रिंसिपल पता होनी चाहिए।
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? मैंने आपको पूछा डिफाइन
Yes.
बॉइलिंग ऑफ वाटर, आपने बोला बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बट नो, आपको पूरी सेंटेंस बोलना है। तो ये छोटी छोटी बेसिक्स क्वेश्चंस आपकी सिलेक्शन डिसाइड कर सकती है, आपको आउट भी हो सकते हो आप इंटरव्यू से। ओके तो मैं यही बोलूंगा, आपको बेसिक्स में स्टिल वर्क करने की जरूरत है। आप मेरे मैराथन लेक्चर्स एक बार देखो, ठीक है? अगर देखा भी है तो एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करो। ओके आपकी नॉलेज में अपग्रेडेशन ही होगी, डिग्रेड नहीं होगी, आप अपग्रेड ही होगे।
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? एंड बाकी सब चीज ठीक है। एंड आपने यस कम्युनिकेशन में आपकी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है। ओके आपने काफी मेहनत किया होगा, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन से ही मुझे पता चल रहा था आपने काफी हार्ड वर्क किया होगा इम्प्रूव करने में। तो आप कम्युनिकेशन ठीक कर सकते हो, इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो। तो टेक्निकल भी आई थिंक आप एक लाइक ऑक्सिलरी मशीन्स एंड आईसी इंजिन्स पे आपको फोकस करनी होगी। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ करनी होगी,
Yes.
बेसिक्स
सर एक
मैंने
क्वेश्चन
देखा।
था। यस सर, यस सर।
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
सर IC2 में सर उतना नॉलेज, मतलब वो ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स हुए थे तो उतना सर कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाया, मतलब उतना अच्छे से नहीं हो पाया, तो सर वो कैसे करें IC2?
आईसी टू में क्या क्या टॉपिक था? वो एक्सप्लोजन वाली, क्रैंकेस एक्सप्लोजन, स्कैवेंज फायर।
नो सर, पावर इंडिकेटर डायग्राम, फ्यूल पंप, मैनोवरिंग, ये सब था सर।
अच्छा ये सब।
मेंटेनेंस एंड ओवरऑल।
सी कोई स्टैंडर्ड बुक उठाओ, ओके वो बुक को पढ़ाई करो। एंड मेरी लेक्चर्स तो अभी टाइम लगेगी उन लेक्चर्स को आने में। ओके तो मैं इतना ही बोल सकता हूँ, फ्रेंड से डिस्कस करो जो जिन्हें पता है, क्योंकि आप ऐसे भी नहीं कि लाइक इंटरव्यू तो आपकी क्लोज आ रही है। ओके एंड आपको ये सारी
यस
चीजें
सर।
पता होनी चाहिए, बेसिक्स। तो बेसिक्स पे आप वर्क करो। ओके
यस सर।
बेसिक्स पे आपको वर्क करनी है। क्लियर?
यस सर।
चलो एनी क्वेश्चन?
नो सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके चलो, सो थैंक यू, स्टे कनेक्टेड। ओके
यस
चलो
सर।
बेसिक्स पे आपको वर्क करनी है, और भी अच्छे कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हो। मिरर के सामने खड़े हो, अपने मोबाइल का कैमरा ऑन करो, वीडियो बनाओ। ओके एंड बोलो फ्रेश वाटर जनरेटर की पूरी एक्सप्लेनेशन दो, ओडब्ल्यूएस की पूरी एक्सप्लेनेशन। क्लियर? और फिर उस वीडियो को खुद देखो, तुम्हें पता चलेगा मैं क्या मिस्टेक कर रहा हूँ। ओके आई नो तुम्हें पता थी व्हाट इज बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर, बट बोल नहीं पाए, कुछ वर्ड छूट गई। तो वो सारी चीजें कवर होती है ऐसे, कैमरा लो, वीडियो बनाओ, टेक्निकल टॉक करो खुद से। ओके खुद बाद में
यस
वीडियो
सर।
को देखो, एनालाइज करो कहाँ मैं गलत हूँ। क्लियर?
यस सर। यस सर।
चलो फिर ऑल द बेस्ट। ओके
थैंक यू सर।
स्टे कनेक्टेड, स्टे ट्यून्ड। थैंक यू सो मच।